The red cable connects with 24V terminal. The black cable connects with negative terminal point. The red cable connects with 24V terminal of the repeater. The black cable connects with the GND terminal. On the panel, it has two ports, 4A, 5A ports and 4A, 5B ports. You should use red wire to connect with 4A, 5A ports. The black cable connects with the 4A, 5B ports. Return back to the repeater. The red cable connects with 4A, 5A ports. The black cable connects with 4A, 5B ports. And one fire alarm panel can connect with 30 PCS repeater.